Okay, so we've installed Ubuntu. We got that working. We can SSH to the server. That's great. We need to do a few things. We need to install Samba on the server so that we can remotely reach this file share, because at the moment this is on my machine. And yes, this is the repo part of it. We'll use that in a separate way. And then we're going to add another folder here, which is the remote part of this server. And the reason I want to do that is initially when we start, we're going to be editing the files and testing our playbooks directly on the server, but through the remote terminal. The other version, what we can do is we've got this already working. If we don't want to set up Samba, then what we can do is we can create a remote explorer session, which will be a new one. There. So new session is admin at 128.133. Yeah, I can use that one. Connect. It's a Linux machine. Yes. Okay. Seems like we are connected. Open folder. I want to open a specific folder. I don't want to see too many things for now. So what we're going to do for now is create a new directory. So mkdir /code. I am not an admin. Okay. Okay, so it's there. Problem is right now it's owned by the root user. So sudo chown space -r for /code. What am I missing? That's, of course, I need to give it a user to say who's owning it. So the easiest way to get that is go to your home directory, and that's what you actually want to see. So that cursor for that user. There we go. So ls space there, pipe to correct code. Okay, as you can see, here we still had it as the root is the owner. Now it's not anymore. So cd /code. Nothing inside. Now I want to come here and say I want to speak directly in that directory. Okay, it's a Linux machine. Give it its password because it's going to open up a separate SSH session. Okay, so there's obviously nothing in here. What was the other thing? Okay, let's test. I'm going to create a new file. Just hello. As you can see, now we can put that to here. Okay, so while we've got this working, we can minimize that one and dock this for now.